Hello everyone, I never expected this cucumber and egg recipe to become so popular. From now on, don't just mix or stir fry them as usual. If you learn this method, you could eat it 6 times a week and never get tired of it. It's the ultimate lazy person's recipe. Let's see how I make it. Prepare 2 fresh cucumbers and peel off the skin. After peeling, cut the cucumbers into thick slices. Then cut them into strips. And finally dice them into small cubes. Once cut, place them in a bowl. Crack 4 fresh eggs into the bowl. Then set it aside for later use. Prepare a sausage, cut it in half lengthwise, and then slice it into thick pieces. Cut the slices into strips. Then dice them into small cubes. After cutting, add them to the bowl with the cucumber and eggs. Add a little pepper to remove any unpleasant smell and enhance the flavor. Then use chopsticks to mix everything well. Since the sausage is already salty, there's no need to add extra salt. After mixing, set it aside for now. Prepare a handful of seafood mushrooms and cut them into small sections. Once cut, place them in a bowl and add a spoonful of salt. Pour in some water. Mix everything well by hand. Then set it aside to soak for 5 minutes. Prepare half a green pepper, slice it into strips, then dice it. Dice half a red pepper as well. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger and mince it. Chop an appropriate amount of scallions into small pieces. Crush 3 cloves of garlic and mince them. After cutting, place them on a plate. Prepare about 50 cents worth of lean pork and cut it into thick slices. Cut it into strips. Then dice it. After cutting, place it on a plate. The seafood mushrooms are done soaking, so wash them thoroughly. Alright, take them out. Bring water to a boil in a pot, then add the seafood mushrooms to blanch them. This helps remove any off flavors and impurities. Once it boils, cook for just 30 seconds. Alright, take them out and drain the water. Next, add a little oil to a frying pan. Once the oil is hot, pour in the cucumber and egg mixture. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly. Then, cook it slowly over medium-low heat. High heat can easily burn it. Once it sets, gently shake the pan to ensure even heating. After one side is cooked, cover it with a plate and flip it over. Then continue to cook slowly over low heat for about 3 minutes until it's fully cooked through. It should look like this. Take it out and place it on a plate. Next, prepare a sauce. Add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of 13 spice powder to a bowl. Add half a spoonful of sweet bean paste. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce. A little bit of starch. Add an appropriate amount of water and stir thoroughly with a spoon. Add a little oil to the pan, then add the diced meat. Stir fry the meat until fragrant and it changes color. Then add chopped green onions and minced garlic, and stir fry until aromatic. Next, add the seafood mushrooms. Stir fry evenly until you can smell the fresh aroma. Add the diced green and red peppers. Stir fry a few times. Then pour in the prepared sauce. Stir well with a spatula, turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil, allowing the flavors of the ingredients and seasonings to fully blend. Finally, cook the sauce until it reaches this thick and glossy consistency. Alright, turn off the heat and evenly pour the stir-fried ingredients over the cucumber and egg pancake. A delicious cucumber and egg pancake with savory topping is ready. It's rich in nutrients and full of flavor. Just looking at it makes your mouth water, and taking a bite is incredibly satisfying. This is a perfect lazy recipe. If you like it, be sure to save it and give it a try.